Good afternoon. This is day 27. I am still at Nature's Inn Hostel. I am sitting under the covered tent and hammock area. The weather took a turn for the worse, and in the next 24 hours, there is supposed to be 2 to 3 inches of rainfall. And after the incident just 3 days ago, on day 24, I said, no, thank you. I am 24 miles from Irwin. I am 2 miles short of hitting 800 miles, and I'm not walking in this amount of rain again. And this time I happen to be at a hostel, so I don't have to. If I would have been caught out on the trail in this, I would have just taken a zero in a shelter, because it's just not safe to walk in this kind of rain. And this time it's supposed to be super windy as well. So here I am. The total miles that I have walked at this point is 250, and according to the weather report, tomorrow should be dramatically better. Like, the rain will start to taper off overnight and decrease to like maybe a 50% chance of rain and showers, and it should just lighten up. I think it's a fast-moving storm, and so I could still make it to Irwin by Saturday, which is when I really need to be in Irwin. So hopefully tomorrow morning things will be less dramatically rainy. Like, I'll walk in the rain. I just don't want to walk in heavy rain. It's just not safe. The trail gets super muddy and super slippery. I fell on my face once. I'm not doing it again. And I will reevaluate in the morning. If tomorrow morning things have not improved dramatically, I'm just gonna make this my stopping point and get a shuttle up to Irwin. There's actually another guy staying here who has his vehicle, and he kindly drove a couple of people up to Irwin today so that they didn't have to hike in this. So yeah, I mean, my plane leaves from Tri-Cities Airport on Sunday afternoon. I need to be in Irwin by Saturday. Maybe it'll be through hiking, maybe it'll be through a shuttle, but it will not be through 3 inches of rain, and I'm okay with that. So that's the update for day 27, and stay tuned, and I'll show you what's happening out there. And yeah, I will get back with you tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm somewhat optimistic that it's going to improve. If this was like 2 weeks into my hike, I would keep hiking, but it's so close to the end of the trip. It's getting too close to the deadline of when I need to be in a place to get on a plane to go home. So yeah, stand by. I will give you a little shot of the terrible, awful weather, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I'm really glad I did not go hiking, because right now I would be stuck in torrential rain. It's just coming down in buckets. So for right now, I'm warm and dry, and I am safe.